Okay, well, yeah, Bella, let's put it back up, please. Okay, guys, you know how we've been learning how to add, right? Today, we are going to talk about ways to make 8. But this is the first question. I'm going to have you guys do something for me, okay? I need... Can you 3 stand up for me in your spot and just pretend to swim? No, not everybody. Okay, I just asked you certain people, okay? Sit down, please, Naomi. Can I have you 2 stand up and pretend to swim? Like, pretend to swim. No, stay here, not everybody. And then this table, can you guys stand up and pretend to swim? So, first, we had, wait, that's not right.
I have one too many.
I have one too many. That didn't work how I wanted it to. Angel, can you sit down for me? Thank you. First, I asked 5 people to come swimming. 5.
And then you add more.
Then I added 3 more to equal. How many do we have?
8.
8. Okay, you guys can sit back down, okay?
Good job, swimmer.
Thank you, guys. So today we're going to learn how to make sums of 8, right? But first, okay, first graders, let's. So, can anybody tell me what 3 plus 4 is? Raise your hand if you know. I saw Cooper's hand go up first. 7. It is 7.
What's the other way to write
What's
3
the other way?
plus 4? Switch the add-ends around. Switch the add-ends around.
4
4
plus 3.
Very
Yep,
good.
equals 7, huh? 4 plus 3 equals 7.
Do you see the 2 add-ins, 3 and 4, boys and girls? We just switch them around
Woo!
to make 3 and 4.
Yep. Who can tell me what 2 plus 5 equals? Hamlet. 7. So if we switch the add-ins around, what would it be to make the sum of 7? 5 plus 2 equals 7. Who can tell me what 4 plus 2 is? Naomi. 6. So 4 plus 2 equals 6.
Slakey, sit up.
So if we switch the add-ins up to make the sum of 6, what would it be? 2 plus 4 equals 6, right? Did you guys know that why we're going all over this stuff? Because you guys will get to the point where you guys won't even have to think about this stuff. You get so fluent on adding. Did you know that? Pretty cool, huh? Oh, I just forgot to erase it. So, should I do this one?
Mm-hmm.
It's asking us, which way of these ways to make 7? So first, what is 2 plus 2? Equal 4, right? So would that be the answer if they're looking for 7?
No.
No. What is 3 plus 2 equal? Abella.
2 plus 3 is 4.
5. Close. 5. Is that what we're looking for if we're looking for 7?
No.
No.
It's kind of close.
Not there. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Yep. Is that the answer?
No, but pretty close.
So what is 4 plus 3 equal? 4 plus 3 equals 7. Is that the answer we're looking for? Yes.
It's because we already know because it's last.
Well, not all the time is it last. It could have been first, it could have been second, or it could have been third. So you got to make sure that when you're doing the question, you add them up and know that you're looking to make 7.
You'll wait to see when I see.
Okay, so we are just going to go right into our work today because I know